Hello teachers, parents, children and other math lovers. In this video, we are going to do some activities with concrete materials. We are going to use separate change unknown situations, one of the types of standard additive word problems, suitably arranged for kindergarteners and first graders. You may also use for second graders too. We have some unit cubes and a hiding box. We can find these or similar materials that can serve our purpose at home or in some nearby shops or stationaries. With these activities, children develop their own strategies according to their levels of thinking with numbers, from counting on to using recalled number facts. They develop from counting based strategies to arithmetical strategies. They also engage in reasoning based on their actions and their readings from the situations on numbers and quantities. Let's get started. Okay, we have, as I said, we have separate change unknown situation, and we have number bonds that makes up to 10, two numbers like 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4. We are going to use these number bonds in order to get children get used to these numbers and use them as a recalled number fact. After several practice, they usually get these numbers and then use fluently. They're going to use counting, maybe. We're going to arrange the objects to make them subitize instead of counting one by one, because they can subitize small number of items without counting, and they're going to use recalled number facts after a while. And as I said, we are going to use number bonds. We are going to get number fluency, and we are going to use time frame. Okay, let's get started. The first question, use an easy number. We have 10 cubes here for chicks. We have 10 chicks playing in the garden. Some of them, see, entered the coop. Now, there are 8 chicks remaining. How many chicks got into the coop? While we are hiding the cubes, hiding the chicks that got into the coop, we should let them look to the other side so that they can't see how many we hide, okay? Because it's easily subitizable, so that's not our purpose. They're going to find it by using these initial amount, the remaining amount, and hiding amount. They're going to use these numbers in order to get the answer. We're going to also use number sentences to model the situation. We both use concrete modeling and symbolic modeling. And this is the verbal model. Okay, let's check the number sentence. 10 chicks were playing in the garden. Some of them, we don't know the amount, some of them separated from them, right? Got into the coop. And 8 chicks remained. How many chicks got into the coop? So the unknown amount is the changing amount. That's why this is the amount is separated and the changing amount is unknown. The initial amount and the last amount, the result is known. Okay, the children, they use some counting strategies like counting on from 8 to 10, or they may count back from 10 to 8 to find the answer 2. Or they may, after a while, they may memorize this fact and then use these number bonds. If the initial amount is 10 and then this is 8, then it should be 2. These kind of activities need practice, so students learn after a while. Some of them learn with a few activities, practice, or some of them you learn these facts after long practice or after too many practices. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to change the number and change some orientations of numbers. Like we can do this and this in order to have the kids find the total amount easily. We have 10 chicks playing in the garden, and some of them got into the coop, and there are 7 remaining. See, this 7, in order to find the remaining amount, you're going to use, if they use subitizing, 5, 6, 7, or 5 and 2, 7. These are the strategies, fast counting strategies, fast enumeration strategies, so that they can use these strategies during the practice, and then they get used to them and internalize these strategies in order to find other solutions to other problems. Here, let's do one more. We have 10 chicks. We can use 10 frame again. In some cases, we use 10 frame, and in some cases, we use subitizing canonic arrangements. 5 and 5. We have 10 chicks playing in the garden, and some of them got into the coop. Now there are 8 chicks remaining. Oh, sorry, 6 chicks remaining. How many chicks got into the coop? So they can use counting-based strategies, either back counting or further counting on or counting back, or they may use recalled number facts. Okay, so I guess that's enough for today. I hope we meet in another video with a different topic. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.